Chapter 9: How to Increase Blog Traffic. Increasing blog traffic is one of the most challenging things about having a blog. Hopefully, these tips will help. Tailor your content for a specific audience. Use catchy headlines for more clicks. Make your content easy to read. Create long-form, evergreen content. Try user-generated content. Blog consistently. Work with a schedule. Create SEO-friendly content. Conduct proper keyword research before writing. Have an appealing website design. Make the site responsive on every device. Let your content include visuals. Be wise while naming images, keywords instead of random letters. Your images should have a description. Occasionally, share funny content on social media. It does not have to be related to your blog. Interlink content so people can read more articles on your site. Create social share buttons. Have your sites link on your social media profiles. Interact with people on Q&A websites. Comment on other people's blogs. Invite your readers to comment on posts. Ask family and friends to share your blog. Interact with fellow bloggers and share your blog with their audiences. Get people to subscribe to your blog. Write guest posts on other sites. Allow other bloggers to guest post on your site. Attend networking events and conferences. Collaborate with fellow bloggers. Organize your own events, local or online. Track your numbers using Google Analytics. Make use of Twitter. Mention businesses or people in your tweets. Make use of Facebook. Create a page for your blog. Get into Facebook groups. Make use of Google+. Get into Google+ communities. Make use of Reddit. Try the Reddit advertising program. Make use of Instagram. Share your content on Pinterest. Reshare old posts on social networks. Do not forget LinkedIn. Join Mix, formerly Stumbled Upon. Submit your posts to Mix. Join Viral Content Bee. Get more followers on Twitter with Tweepy. Share content automatically with Buffer. Post videos on YouTube. Get your blog featured on Alltop. Add your site to Blogorama. Join forums. Get into a blogging community. Try a giveaway. Add your articles to Wikipedia resources. Create a Wikipedia page of your own. Write roundups. Tell others about your site. Get on Google News. Use snip.ly. Interview guests. Write reviews. Create your own forum. Create an app. Create a bookmarklet or browser extension. Add related posts to an article. Make a Udemy course. Email out your new posts. Send out push notifications. Link to other blogs. Try Facebook ads. Get ahead with Google ads. Promote with Pinterest ads. Share articles on Hacker News. Share posts on Manager WP. Leave a link on GitHub. Share posts on inbound.org. Find the right hosting company. Automatically share posts with Edgar. Join Tribber. Incorporate tweetable links. Update your old articles. Rewrite old articles. Proofread. Join Product Hunt. Give business cards. Print links. Make use of hashtags. Use stickers. Print out t-shirts. Use SliderShare. Create eBooks. Make a popular post sticky. Sell on marketplaces. Use landing pages. Share catchy quotes. Know when to publish. Convert articles to PDFs. Host free workshops. Advertise with Bing ads. Get started with mobile ads. Buy ads. Use polls. Ask readers what they want to know. Submit your blog to all search engines. Blogs are an important part of the internet. It ranges from someone's journal to informational websites, from assertive writers to helpful coaches, and from anything under the sun to lines in between. A blog has it all. Individuals and groups have the freedom to voice their thoughts and concerns and share them with millions in the world through the power of the internet. A blog, by definition and niche, is vague. There are too many definitions for it that it is hard to pin down only one, and a lot of niches that cover various topics from as simple as parenthood to as strange as aliens. The most popular blogging niches, however, cover health and fitness, personal finance and development, food blogging, and beauty and fashion. Blogs can be written in many different styles. It can be in retrospective to a person's life, or it can also influence politics and business, which has the power to change the world. Whatever the blog's style is, there are some universal characteristics they all share. These characteristics are what make these blogs readable and connectable to the readers. We provided you with the top 10 blog characteristics you should know to write well-crafted and highly engaging blog articles. Does a blog relate to the website? If so, how? Are they the same? Or are they different? Websites are used to present, but blogs are used to connect. In other words, websites are stagnant, whereas blogs are more active and engaging for you to connect with your readers. Website information posted on their pages does not require regular updates. It can stay the same for as long as the website owners want. Conversely, for blog posts, it requires updates, like writing on your journal entries. Publishing dates and meta tags are included in blog posts. And posting new entries consistently is the key to a successful blog. Posts are displayed with recent ones first. Blog posts are shown differently, unlike personal diaries in a notebook. For blog posts, the most recent one is always displayed up top, while the older ones are at the bottom. It is in chronologically reverse order. Your newest posts toss your old posts down the list until they do not appear on the landing page anymore. Older posts do not completely disappear, though. They are only archived on the next page. Some bloggers categorize them by year or month of publishing for easy management and organization. Though not all, but most blog sites use a similar structure. First, there is a header with a menu to systemize the page and make a clean and neat impression to readers. The main content area follows suit. This is where the blog posts appear by relevance or date of publishing. At the bottom part of the blogs are terms and conditions, contact pages, and relevant links about the blog. These are all arranged neatly in a footer. There is also a sidebar, which brings to light famous entries, social profiles, and moves to action. Each blog has their specific niches where their posts revolve around. Posts can be of different types, such as photos, videos, and written articles, among others. Most blog posts, however, are in the form of writing. Blog articles can be written as an opinion piece, current event post, or instructional guides, depending on how the author of the blogger wants it to be. To make the post more engaging and visually appealing, images and videos are inserted between text. On the other hand, travel and fashion blogs are usually of a different kind. Instead of focusing on words, bloggers of these blogs focus more on photos and videos, with no to minimal captions. Business-related blogs also post infographics to relay information instead of instructional articles. Regardless of the style of blog content, what is most important is the quality of the published content. Headlines are especially important in getting more readers. Making titles for blog posts is not an easy feat. One does not just put words together to make a headline. He or she needs to learn the art of making an appealing one. The effective headline should be able to generate clicks and drive traffic. It should also lure readers to read on or see what you have published. Blog posts should have relevant content to stimulate interest and open discussions between people. Blogs should be original and unique at the same time, regardless of what types they are, the medium used, and the formats and styles. Most importantly, a blog post should deliver what it promises to its readers: engaging and relevant content related to the niche, as well as all the headlines. Blogs and links are two peas in a pod. When you check decent blog websites, you can see how they all share the same characteristics in link building. Link building allows bloggers to promote their blogs and content more to the reader. Internal linking allows bloggers to lead readers to other relevant posts on their website and increase traffic, along with providing a great reading experience. Whether it is done as a marketing strategy or not, it is a good way for knowledge and opinions to be shared in a systematic way. Just like a diary, blogs should be as personalized as possible. A little flair of personal touch makes the blog more relatable and engaging. A weblog is a personal online journal that has been around for ages. The term blog originated from that word, which only heightened the importance of the personal touch on a blog. As blogs evolved from private to more public issues, such as politics, what remains through this day is how interpretive blog posts are. When posts require neutrality, personal touches are evident in the individual's form of writing. Each blog has the About Me section, where the authors talk about themselves and personalize brand signature. Most engaging blogs have the comment section where readers can say their piece. The comment section is typically found at the end of every published blog content. This section aims to engage readers in a conversation and provide them the opportunity to give their feedback to the author regarding the post. When bloggers generate reaction and response from readers, it means that he or she is on the right track. With or without discussion, the main goal of a blog post is still communication. The end purpose of blogs is to convey a message that bloggers want to tell their readers. For example, promotional blogs are published to attract customers and open discussion between readers and the blogger in a move to convince them to purchase their product. If no sales are generated, at the very least, there was a move to spread the word and ultimately widen the target market. Blogging is one of the best ways to communicate with the world, whether you want to share knowledge, entertain people, or provide solutions to problems. Communication, which freely expresses your opinion and response from the public, is the most important characteristics of a great blog. Blogs are not one click, and you're done. Creating blog posts, even one, means you must spend time and effort into making quality content. Investing your time and effort can help generate more traffic to your site. Aside from time and effort, other factors also influence your blog. Some of these factors include your chosen niche, audience, and style of content. But regardless of how varied your blog posts are, you must be aware of things listed below if you want to make a good impact on your readers. 50 milliseconds are what it takes for you to make a good impression on your readers. That is why you must be careful of how you lay out your blog posts. If you just put words without visuals, it tends to be boring and you will lose the most important 50 milliseconds of your blog post's time to shine. The best layout for blogs is to break out texts from each other so they can be read easily and insert photos that are appealing in between paragraphs. You can even make use of videos, GIFs, and other visuals to make it lively. The length of the post is one of the many concerns of bloggers and soon-to-be bloggers. How long does each blog post take? Many people believe that posts should be kept shorter, considering the short attention span of readers. Take note that there are also readers who can read lengthy posts from start to finish without losing focus. The trick to the length relies on how engaging your post is. If your post contains valuable information and are written in a way that does not bore the readers, you can have it if you want. Do not settle for a 500-word post if you have more to say. Likewise, do not make a 3,000-word blog if you can finish writing in just 500 words. You should concentrate on the quality of the content above anything else. You do not have to worry about the length if you have the value your reader needs. You can never have a unique niche because whether you like it or not, someone has already covered that niche before. Do not ever copy and paste content from other blog sites. For you to offer original and unique content that can be considered different from other sites of the same niche, you must provide a different approach to the same topics that have already been covered. To approach differently, you can have an original and unique style of writing or tone of voice when presenting different ideas, or even a different viewpoint from other sites. As said earlier, time and effort should be invested in creating blog content. This time and effort should also be invested in research. Research is important to produce informative and quality content. Research makes it easy to produce unique content because it gives you insight into past published articles, as well as readers' opinions of the topic. It allows you to dig deeper into the topic, which can lead to a more comprehensive and unique output. Without research, you may produce unreliable content, which is a big no-no for a blog site. Producing unreliable content can make you lose your readers too. Hence, you have to back up every claim you raised by evidence, such as supplementing links and citations from reliable sources. Got the courage to start your blog? Once you decide to start your own blog, you need to follow these steps. First, choose the blogging platform and your blog's name. The most recommended self-hosted platform is WordPress.org. Second, you need to choose your web hosting service. Bluehost is recommended for new bloggers. They offer a free domain name once you sign up and provide you with a 30-day money-back guarantee. WordPress.org works well with Bluehost, as they describe the latter as one of the best and brightest of the hosting world. Blogging is very vague when defined, but do not let it stop you. Any blogger sees that the beauty of blogging comes from how diverse it is. The characteristics we have presented are more of a guideline than rules, except for communication. Communication is the heart of blogging, and everything else is set to engage and please our readers.